What if what truly defines your actions isn't what you do, but why you do it? The concept of intention has shaped moral thinking across civilizations. In ancient societies, actions were often judged by outcomes. Did it benefit the tribe, the state, the ruler? Intention mattered less than result. But with the rise of major religious traditions, intention moved to the center. In Islamic thought, the famous principle, actions are judged by intentions, elevated inner motives to a moral foundation, tying human behavior directly to accountability beyond society. In medieval Europe, intention became important in Christian theology, yet social order still relied heavily on visible actions. By the modern era, philosophers like Immanuel Kant emphasized intention as the basis of morality, arguing that a good will is what makes an action truly ethical, regardless of outcome. But sociology complicates this. Alfred Schutz explored how intentions are understood through shared meanings. We don't just act, we interpret each other's motives based on social context. What seems sincere in one culture may seem suspicious in another. Harold Garfinkel showed that people constantly make sense of actions in everyday life, filling in gaps about others' intentions. Social order depends on this invisible agreement about what actions mean. Yet intention is not always pure or independent. Arlie Hochschild introduced the idea of emotional labor, where individuals manage feelings to meet social expectations. Here, intention itself becomes shaped by institutions. You don't just feel, you are expected to feel in certain ways. From a Muslim intellectual perspective, intention goes deeper than social interpretation. Al-Ghazali emphasized that intention is the heart of action. It transforms ordinary acts into worship when aligned with sincerity. But he also warned that intentions can be corrupted by ego, status, or recognition. Wael Hallaq highlights that Islamic ethics integrates inner intention with outward justice, refusing to separate the private from the social. Actions are judged not only by systems, but by moral consciousness. So what does this mean today? In a world of performance, social media, public image, constant visibility, intentions are often displayed, curated, even marketed. The line between sincerity and performance becomes blurred. Sociologically, intention is both personal and social. It comes from within, but is shaped by the world around you. So next time you act, ask yourself, is this truly my intention, or the one I've been taught to have? Because understanding intention isn't just about morality. It's about understanding yourself within society. If this gave you a new way to think about your actions, subscribe to the channel. We break down powerful ideas so you don't just act, you understand why you act.